So recently, a friend asked me what she should do with $10,000 that she saved. I thought about so many ideas, but then I was like, let's go crazy. How about we double this money for you? So in this video, we are going to explore options of how to double your money. These options actually apply to any amount of money. Of course, not zero, because you can't double nothing. Let's explore some fundamental concepts of how you can increase your wealth or double this $10,000. And spoiler alert, putting it in a savings account ain't the answer, because that way your money is just rotting away to inflation. Let's look into some real-world actionable ideas of how you can double your 10 Gs. When it comes to increasing your wealth, we need to work with 3 parameters: time, risk, and effort. Most people want to double their money in the shortest amount of time. In that case, my friend should just go to Vegas and play a hand of blackjack with this 10 grand. In a few seconds, this 10 grand can become 20 Gs. But as we all know, most of the time, the house wins, and there's just as good a chance that she's going to lose that 10 grand in those 2 seconds. This makes this activity extremely risky. So we want to minimize risk as much as possible. You might be in a life situation where you cannot even tolerate risk. Imagine an elderly couple that does this with their entire retirement portfolio. So let's give this 10 grand some time. If you have a little bit of time and patience, let this money grow in the stock market. Because we spoke about minimizing risk, we're not going to invest this $10,000 into one single company. Instead, we can invest this in an index fund. In simple terms, index funds are just like baskets of stocks. That means many companies are part of an index, and once you buy one single fund, you get exposure to all of those companies. For example, the S&P 500 is an index, and there are many funds that track this index. If you were to buy an S&P 500 fund, you will automatically invest in these 500 companies. As you can see, there are so many advantages. You are diversifying your risk, and also you don't have to individually buy 500 stocks. You may not even have enough money to cover the cost of each individual stock. In my opinion, the best place to buy index funds is Vanguard.com. Go open a personal investor's account. It's a traditional brokerage account, and just buy VTSAX, which tracks about 3,500 companies, or the S&P 500 index. I believe the ETF is VOO. I will leave all of those links in the description below so you can start learning about index fund investing. I mentioned that this approach will take time. How much time, you may ask? Great question. For that, to calculate the amount of time, let's use the rule of 72. It's a simple rule that says whatever the rate of return of your investment is, say you bought an index fund and every year it returned 10% of your investment. The amount of time you will need to double the 10 grand would be 72 divided by 10. That is 7.2 years. So after 7.2 years, your 10 Gs will be 20 Gs. And after 14.4 years, the 20 Gs will be 40 Gs, and so on and so forth. Usually the stock market returns anywhere from 6 to 9%, so you'll see your money doubling every decade. While this is all information based on historic data, it is not a guarantee that your future is going to be the same. But this gives you a fair idea of what to expect. Now, I can already see your eyebrows being raised and saying, I don't have 10 years. I need my money doubled now.
Where's the money, Lebowski?
Alright then, alright. Let's go back to our 3 parameters. So we talked about time, risk, and effort. If we want to reduce the time, we have to dial up the other parameters. And if anyone ever says to you that they can double your money in no time, with no risk and no effort, please run away as fast as you can, because that is a scam. Before we explore effort, let's dial up our risk a little bit and see if this option fits your boat. Cryptocurrency is all the rage in today's world, and for good reason. It is possible that this technology might take over the world in the future. And if you think you see promise in this technology, you could park your 10 grand in cryptocurrency. The best bet is to buy Bitcoin or Ether or some of the other altcoins that actually generate real world value. For example, Polkadot, Cardano, Chainlink, Uniswap, and many other coins that are actually creating real world products and solving problems. And if you invest in these, I definitely suggest an invest and forget strategy, because the fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market can give you sleepless nights. At times, your 10 grand will become 25,000, and very quickly, the 10 grand can become 4,000. This is recommended as a long-term investment because these technologies need time to mature and grow, And if you believe that they have a potential and they have a future, you'll be more comfortable investing in it. And if you want more information, I have a cryptocurrency video right here where I talk about what exactly cryptocurrencies are in plain English and where to buy them. Alright, let's go down to effort, some work. Let's see what we can do with your 10 Gs when you're willing to put in some work. Can you guess what this option is? Yes, you start a business. There are of course a million ways to start businesses, but I can throw out some ideas to get your mind going. One option is to buy sale inventory at Walmart, scan it with the Amazon app, and if you see that Amazon is selling that same exact product for at least double the price, you can buy out all of that inventory from Walmart and resell it on Amazon. Sellers on Amazon say that because this is one of the biggest e-commerce markets out there, inventory flies off the shelf. This is definitely a time and labor intensive process, but you can make some good cash in a relatively small amount of time here. Another idea is if you enjoy renovating and improving items, you could buy used furniture either free or at a very low cost from Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace and then repair and upsell it. My next idea is to actually buy a business. In this world, there is a marketplace for everything. Believe it or not, you could buy a YouTube channel. You could buy an Instagram page. $10,000 can potentially get you a YouTube channel that is on an upward trajectory, and if you put in some work and time in it, you can make a lot more money than what it's generating right now. You can do something similar with Instagram pages that are already set and have legit followers, buy those businesses and make money off of brand deals yourself. I'll leave the links of some of the marketplaces in the description so you can check out where exactly to buy a YouTube channel. Another idea is you could buy an online e-commerce business. Shopify is one of the biggest platforms for e-commerce and they have a marketplace. You can go to Shopify and check out some of the inventory that they might have. Some people are just done with those businesses. Even though they are money producing, they want to get rid of it because they want to move on to something else. You can buy those businesses and double your 10 grand that way. The one word of caution I would want to say is you will need a lot of knowledge and expertise in this field. If you have no idea how e-commerce or YouTube channels work, it might be a good idea to take $1,000 or $2,000 and go for a legit online course and learn as much as you can before buying a full-blown business. The next option here again is time and labor intensive, but you could buy a rental real estate property with $10,000. Yes, I said it, $10,000 is enough to get your toes dipped into the real estate market. There are many things that you can do with $10,000. $10,000 is 20% of $50,000. That means you can put about 20% down payment with this amount of money. There will be some extra closing costs, so if you want, you can buy a cheaper house or increase your down payment or expense money by just a little bit. If your current state doesn't have properties, you can always buy out of state. In today's world, doing these remote transactions has never been easier. All the documents can be signed online and you can create a reliable team from out of state. You can hire real estate agents, contractors, and property managers who can work on placing the tenants and maintaining the properties that you don't even ever have to see yourself. If going this route, I recommend following the rule of 1%. That means if you buy a $50,000 house, make sure that you're able to collect about $500 per month rent, which is 1% of the purchase price value. That way you'll have enough to cover the mortgage and also keep some profit. Whatever profit that you're making, you can save and then invest in the next property and snowball your property portfolio. So here you're using time, effort, and relatively low amount of risk to start investing. I speak about all of these options, but you must be wondering, what are the things that you did to double or increase your money? Well, some of the things that I've done in the past decade are buy a house that I lived personally, and then I sold it for almost double the price. All the investment that I made for the down payment or any extra expenses on the house were definitely covered and I came out with profit. In the past, I have invested in individual company stocks, but a very small percentage of my salary or my net worth. They did double over the last 5-6 years. Working at Netflix, I was lucky enough to invest in their stock when it was a lot lower, and I certainly doubled my money over there. I have also bought index funds and retirement funds that have done pretty good in the last decade. I do not share all of this information to brag, but just to let you know what consistent investing and saving your money can do in the long run. Take one small step in the world of investing and you'll be motivated to research because you would have your own money at stake. Action begets motivation. So go ahead, save the money, and put it away for your future. Let me know which options spoke to you the most and the ones that you have already tried or are going to try after watching this video. Stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.